This is why I say disabled people are screwed everywhere. I'm sure by now you have seen the video of an Israeli woman who has dual citizenship in the UK ripping off the hijab of someone in the UK. She filmed herself doing it, by the way. I'll tag the creator that I got these screenshots from down below. And you're probably wondering, well, what does this have to do with disabled people, Bonnie? I don't understand why you're bringing us into it. This is why. This is the woman that attacked a hijabi woman. Look at what's on her polo. She works for the NHS. That means that in some capacity, she determines who gets care, when they get care, how that care gets organized, how much assistance somebody may or may not get. So now I want you to imagine if you are a brown woman going and trying to get any kind of care coordinated with this NHS employee, or if you are someone who wears a hijab and you have to go and try and get care coordinated by this NHS employee. Do you think that you're going to get the care that you need? Absolutely not. Because if she is bold enough to physically attack someone in broad daylight and record it, because she knows she can just flee back to Israel if she gets in trouble, do you think that she's going to appropriately take care of people on her roster? If you are a person of color, if you are a disabled person of color, and you have to try and navigate healthcare systems, this is yet another thing that you have to worry about. Because not only do you have to worry about being marginalized and harmed by your, doctor who's treating you face to face, or the hospital staff that you have to interact with, but also you have to worry about people like this Looney Tune lady. So when people say, oh, we'll just go to a different doctor if that doctor was mean to you. First of all, if you're part of the NHS, you don't have that option typically, unless you're going to self-pay, and you have to have money for that. But often the way these systems work is your case is assigned to someone. So if you have like an Arabic name, or again, if there's like some notation on your file that says that you wear the hijab and someone is a racist piece of shit like the lady in question, what are you going to do? Because you won't even know. You will have no idea why, like, your file was passed over, why your care was delayed, why you were denied, like, a necessary medication or necessary assistance. You'll never fucking know because it's somebody behind the scenes dicking you over. And this is why I, a white lady from the Midwest of America, talk about this, because when people of color talk about this, nobody's listening to them. But if I, some random white lady, am talking about it, all of a sudden people are like, oh, it must be an actual issue because a white person said it. It's been an issue the whole time. Wake up.